Meanwhile, on Capitol Hill, heated exchanges between U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi and Democratic senators as some accuse her of using the Justice Department to go after the president's critics. She responded by going after those who question her.
I wish you loved Chicago as much as you hate President Trump. And currently, the National Guard are on the way to Chicago. If you're not going to protect your citizens, President Trump will.
I've been on this committee for more than 20 years. That's the kind of testimony you expect from this administration.
I don't know the answer, Senator.
Yeah, you do know the answer to that.
Don't call me a liar.
I didn't call you a liar.
You just said I know the answer. I said I don't know the answer.
Well, what we're interested in is the answer to these oversight questions.
You were asked by my colleague. Attacking good people.
Also a topic at the hearing, the Department of Justice's case against former FBI Director James Comey. Comey is facing a judge for the first time after the president explicitly demanded he face criminal charges. Scott McFarland is at the federal courthouse in Alexandria, Virginia. Scott, good morning.
James Comey will plead not guilty here this morning, but even before his first court appearance, this case has already unleashed a firestorm, with the president celebrating the case and the president's critics denouncing it.
8 years after he was fired by President Trump, former FBI Director James Comey will face off with Trump administration prosecutors today. Comey is charged with obstruction of a congressional proceeding and making a false statement when he denied authorizing leaking information to the press during Senate testimony in 2020.
I stand by what the testimony you summarized that I gave in May of 2017.
This week, the president continued to celebrate the criminal case.
I think he's a crooked guy. He's a dirty cop.
The Department of Justice filed the charges just days after the president urged the Attorney General, Pam Bondi, to do so in a social media post, saying justice must be served.
I am not going to discuss any conversations I have.
In a heated Senate hearing Tuesday, Bondi said she didn't see the president's post as a directive.
President Trump is the most transparent president in American history, and I don't think he said anything that he hasn't said for years.
Comey has denied any wrongdoing.
I'm innocent, so let's have a trial.
And has been a fierce critic of the president's. Former Department of Justice prosecutor Scott Frederickson says it's likely Comey will soon ask a judge to dismiss the case.
Essentially, he's going to argue, among other things, in his first motions, that this is a vindictive prosecution. And unlike most other cases, he has quite a load of evidence to bring to the court.
Leading the case for the U.S. Department of Justice is Lindsay Halligan, just appointed by President Trump as the new U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, succeeding the old U.S. Attorney who did not move forward with the case. Halligan brought on 2 new attorneys last night amid a wave of firings and resignations in her office.
All right, Scott, thank you very much.